So I'm plugging away on holiday Friday here. It's Canada Day, so I guess happy Canada Day, Canada? Anyway, the phone rings. It's my good friend Bruce Humphrey from Casework, and he's got some great questions about his case line. And for all of you who are addicted to one-piece flow like I am, I asked him, I said, didn't you see my video that I posted from Giffin Interiors, the guys who took one-piece flow in their case line to the next level? He said, no. So I had a quick look, realized I didn't post it. So, for everyone addicted to one-piece flow and for everyone who wants to increase the throughput of their case line, this video should really help. Every good execution starts with a good plan. So, we head to the boardroom, we do a pretty rudimentary value stream map, and then out into the shop we go. This was the line of parts on the way to assembly pre-lean. Then as we started to hone in our sorting, you could see the work in process going down until we got it down to a true one-piece flow. Each one of those stacks is a complete cabinet ready to put together.
Okay, my initial thoughts when you guys first came, I really didn't think that small batch size and one-piece flow would really work. Went against everything. It was like common in our heads here that we always mass produce things and stuff like that. And I was actually kind of shocked to see how much of a better flow the one-piece flow is. It's pretty shocking. At first, I thought you guys were crazy. All right, this area here before, it's totally stacked with parts everywhere, and now look at it. All kind of space. It's clean. Everything has a place for it. Everything has its own spot. A lot easier to find everything. Works out pretty good. Okay, so our roller system, as you can see the pictures before when it was all stuffed with parts. Now we actually, our CNC operator come up with the idea, instead of bending down to sort all these parts, we're actually in process to raise this roller system up. So we could just put all the cabinets here, everything that's running down and all the way down, instead of bending over and sorting. So these are just temporarily now, and then we're going to weld legs on here and put more, so it's all tied, shop the parts right down. Okay, now we're in our material staging area. Before we did the lean initiative, we had these rollers were totally full. Like they were just spewing out, parts spewing out everywhere with these large batches. And now that we're into the small batches, as you see, it's not filled up because we're just consuming what we can do in a day, and not a lot's laying on here like it used to be.
Alright, I'm Jordan. I'm the operator on the Edgebander. My first initial thought to this lean process, I didn't think it was going to work because I was just so used to everything being in bulk and it looked busy and it was always a good sign. But now that I look in our Casework value stream, it's still hard to get over all the changes and to move on to improving. But it's just so much more organized now. Under here used to be filled with a bunch of these little white cabinets, and they all were filled with edge tape. We had no idea what was in there. Everything was just out of order. And now that I took time and went through everything, we got rid of so much garbage. I was able to tear out these cabinets, and now I can get under here, keep this a lot cleaner. It's so much easier. Cabinets that used to be under that belt that we had no idea what was in there. Now everything is labeled. In eyesight, you can constantly see what your stock is. You don't have to worry about running out because you can always keep your eye on it. Any jobs that come in, get it all laid out so there's no messing around. You grab your material, you go to your machine, and if anybody needs any color, there will eventually be more labels on here, but there's no question. Since we're thinking lean now, there's so many good opportunities that are coming out of this now. We're able to get a lot more floor space back in the shop and so much more room just to get through areas into your machines and be able to work a lot better. Before, there was so much waste of material just sitting there waiting to be worked on. Now, we can eliminate all of this. My thoughts on this lean process now is I'm still nervous about it because it was a huge change and everything moved so quickly and got put into motion. but I think it's going to work. But it's just, like I said, you get used to doing something the same way so long, it's hard to break that habit.
Hi, my name's Scooter. Everybody calls me Scooter. I'm a Giffin interior. I run the CNC machine department. And my initial thoughts about the lean development we were going through was I wasn't real confident about it. But as we've gone through it, I see it makes sense, and I see that I think it's going to be very productive for us. All right, one of the improvements we made in the department is on the machines now we're trying to do everything as a through bore, so we don't do any countersinking over at the building department. We're trying to do everything we can here to make it simpler on those guys. Okay, another one of the steps we're making is we're separating each cabinet into individual piles, so it's one complete box. So the way we start that out is we have all our backs broken up by cabinet number all throughout. We're trying to keep our runs under 10 cabinets, and we just build the piles as we go. And once we get them complete, they're going to go right up the line over there, and we've made improvements to our line over there so that everything's on a straight plane. Okay, another one of our improvements we made is we've taken our roller system, we brought it up to the height of the working table over there, so that the old guys like me don't have to keep bending down to put the parts on and off. And we are going to change our cart system to be roller top, so that it's dead even with this, we can just slide our parts right off, right on, and right to them to build.
Okay. Hello, my name is Doug. I work in the case clamp area at Giffin Interior, and the lean process has been brought into the area here. And at first I was a little bit nervous about it, but in the long run I have noticed that all the processes have gone smoother, going lean, and that it is more efficient. Since we went lean, the usage of this machine has increased the productivity of it, and we have eliminated the use of another machine, and we can also do the drawer and the cabinet part simultaneously through this piece of equipment. Since our lean thinking has happened here, we are not going to stop. We are going to take more lean ideas and push them through, and we're going to be one lean machine.